Hi girls, welcome back. So we're going to look at section 3.3, the midpoint of a line segment today. So if we just look at this diagram here, we have a point A, which is 1, 1, and we have a point B, which is 7, 5. And we can see easily enough that M is the midpoint of that. Alright, but how do we find that midpoint? It's not always that easy to just pinpoint where it is. So how we do it is we have a formula from the logbooks, the midpoint formula. Alright, so when we have 2 points A and B, we let the first point be x1, y1, we let the second point be x2, y2, and your formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Alright, so let's do an example. So find the midpoint of the line segment joining A, minus 1, 3, and B, 5, 7. So I've just have our midpoint formula written down here. It's in your logbooks, okay? You don't need to know it off, but you do need to be able to use it. So x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. And it's a point, so this comma means that these two numbers stay separate. I calculate this bit, and that's the point that I could plot if I had the plot to put it on. Okay, so here's my first point, A. So this is x1, y1, and this is my second point, B. So this is x2, y2. So x1 is minus 1, plus x2 is 5 all over 2, and y1 is 3, plus y2 is 7 over 2. Okay, so then this becomes 4 over 2, and this becomes 10 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2, and 10 over 2 is 5. So my midpoint of that line segment, so if I was to graph A, minus 1, 3, and B, 5, 7, the point that's halfway between those 2 points is the point 2, 5. Alright, so hopefully that isn't too difficult. I'll do one more example. Okay, so this is my x1, y1, this is my x2, y2. So midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 is 2, x2 is 6, y1 is 4, y2 is 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 over 2, 6 over 2, 8 over 2 is 4, 6 over 2 is 3. So my midpoint is 4, 3. Okay. So exercise 3.3, page 55, questions 1 to 5. Okay, give them a go, let me know if there's any problems. Okay, thanks.